The other reason we're in Lausanne specifically, Adrian got his PhD in robotics at EPFL, and that spun out into the Elios One. This idea that you could create a flying robot that could go into confined spaces, and he was inspired to start his PhD work. He was watching the Fukushima disaster unfold on the television. They're sending ground-based robotics solutions in, trying to get data, what's going on in there. You don't want to send a person. And those ground-based robots kept getting washed out. They couldn't get through because of debris. And Adrian said, there's got to be a way to go into these dangerous places and see what's happening in there. And that became his PhD, and then became
The rest is
Flyability.
history.
Yeah, and EPFL was a seed
Yeah.
funder when we first launched as a startup back in 2014. So, and it's also worth saying Lausanne is a startup hub. There's over 100 startups. EPFL is really organically part of that. It's not the only reason there's all these startups in Lausanne, but there's a lot of people that went to EPFL that then started companies based on the research.
So they
put there.
accelerate the innovation,
Exactly.
you mean, the EPFL.
Exactly.